Got a little bonus, so we're trying to film it here. We missed the first part, but not doing that well, actually. Hey, that was good. More flaming sevens. 5 more spins here. Let's get a big one. That's not bad. Line those flaming sevens up. This is going to be a really good one. Okay, 2 more spins here. We'll see how we're doing. Haven't had a great morning so far. It's a big finish here. Big finish. And maybe not a big finish. But hey, yeah, got a little bit of money back. So we win $41.40. Well, there you go. Right, so we got a spin on this Wheel of Fortune thing. So I'm going to record this, see if I win big. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so it's 7 free games, I guess. Well, I don't know. I guess we, so we're going to play our 7 free games, yeah. I'm doing about as well as I was before the free games. Got a little bit there. A couple more left. Still only 113. Not very good. Wow. Not a great finish there. Okay, well that was a horrible bonus. But there you go. Alright, we got a spin on the Wheel of Fortune dollar machine. So, hit the spin wheel. See if we win big. Something other than like 25 would be great. Oh! Well, we only won 25, but that's not bad. Alright, we're gonna stop it. Ain't no sign of slowing down. Okay, so we got this bonus round, so we're gonna see if we get anything good with it. I don't know. Really me, probably not, but we'll have 3 spins remaining, so we need a big spin winner right here. One that gives me like thousands of dollars. I don't know, I'm sitting here at the link, decided I needed to get a beer at the tag bar because it is closing down apparently pretty soon. And that is very sad for me because it is my favorite casino bar in Las Vegas because they have a lot of interesting beers. And we won a grand total of $23.50. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, like this video and subscribe to our channel. We totally got the Sky Wheel again, so I think it's going to be a big winner right now. I'm thinking hundreds at least of dollars. So here you go. Spin the Sky Wheel. I think we need, I don't know, we need something. $4.50. That is the best we can get. Oh, that is depressing. I guess we're playing again. I think times whatever it is with the respin. Oh, yeah, that's horrible. Well, anyway. I think I'm fine. Thank you, though. Alright, so, we got something here. Okay, well, there you go. Hoping that would be better, but and we're gonna see how this goes. I think it's gonna be a huge win this time. I'm tired. We got the mini, that's like $8 or something. Probably. I don't know. Well, yeah, better than losing. But, no, $6. $6. Okay, there you go. Well, so you got the bonus on this. I don't know what it's going to be about. I think it's going to be a big win, though. Took a while to get it. It's not going to be a big win. Oh, keep going. 6 free games. $6. Fill it up. Fill it up. Ooh, that's good. I think. We have 2 more games. We won a grand total of $13. That's okay, I guess. I don't know. Fill it up. That's it. So that was not a big win. $13.90. Well, there you go. That's what happens in the real world. Oh my God! Awesome. $125. Whenever I record these, I never win anything. Ha. Awesome. That's what happens if you get the $500 guy. Oh, here we go. Get him again. There you go. Did I get a Budweiser when you get a chance? Oh my God, I got it again. Oh, 100. There you go. 35, we'll take it. Nice. This is sweet. Unbelievable. I like this game. Nice. Finally got a good bonus. $175.75. It's awesome. I always do well in this game. Super, super cool.